The nation's leading natural disaster is flooding. Flooding accounts for the greatest loss of life, property damage, and economic impact across the United States and the world. Current flood damage for the 30-year period of 1985 to 2015 is estimated at $8.2 billion in damages and more than 105 fatalities per year. Since 2016, the Department of Homeland Security's Science and Technology Directorate, in support of FEMA, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, has worked with industry partners to design, develop, and test a network of low-cost deployable flood inundation sensors that rapidly measures rising water and triggers alerts of flood conditions back to operation centers, first responders, commercial infrastructure, and citizens. The sensors needed to be wireless, solar-powered, ruggedized, and low-maintenance. The sensors also needed to be affordable for communities to deploy them in large numbers. For more than 2 years, sensor developers worked with state and local officials to install 600 sensors for real-world testing. Based on those evaluations, additional enhancements were made to the sensors, including the ability to set automatic triggers and reporting frequencies to alert for rising water rates during an event. Remote configuration applications were added to install and change sensor settings, and additional open ports were added to accommodate features like rain gauges and soil moisture sensors. The data from the flood sensors can be viewed in a customized graphic user interface or integrated into an existing Operations Center monitoring network. To meet community resilience needs, the sensors needed to be low cost and ruggedized for long durations in the field with little or no maintenance. To achieve this level of durability, the sensors are built to military and American national standards. One of the most important aspects of the sensor is its relative accuracy of 1/2 inch. The ability to detect minimal water level rise allows emergency managers to monitor and respond quickly to urban flash flooding, coastal zone tidal surge, dam and reservoir height fluctuations in discharge, and other flood hazard events. After nearly 4 years, the Flood Sensor R&D Initiative produced over 1,000 sensors that were distributed to state and local emergency management organizations to assess, enhance, and validate the benefit for low-cost flood sensors that would increase community resilience. With proven and dependable low-cost flood inundation sensors available to communities, flood hazard monitoring, alerts, warnings, and notifications are now possible to allow officials and citizens the time necessary to respond to fast-moving flooding events, which will save lives and protect property. DHS and FEMA are committed to the nation's ability to detect, respond, and recover from natural hazards through advanced science and technology.